Hello and welcome back to Big Jules Tech. So, social experiment part 2. Let's have a look around the 10 foot by 8 foot power shed that I've bought that I'm hoping to convert. It took me 3 days to put up, that was in between weather spells. However, I'm quite proud of it and I stand back now and look and I'm quite chuffed, to be fair, as to where I've got with it. So I'll show you a bit of footage of how it was when I first started. Obviously this is the part where the base was being built. So we put that together. We had to level it out because the drive isn't overly even. That took a little bit of sorting out, and to be fair, that took me the best part of a day just to get the base right, because I wanted to get the base right so that then the rest of it would work quite well. Then we've gone on to obviously putting on the flooring, the sides, the roof. It came together pretty simply. So without further ado, that's where we're at currently at the moment before I start setting it up and putting bits in and hopefully sort of tricking it out. So we shall see where we get. Let's have a look and I'll show you exactly where we're at the moment. So here we go. This is currently what we've got. A little bit of echo, a little bit of reverb, obviously that needs to be looked at. Started with trying to put some bits in and get a bit of lighting going on, see if that'll work. Thinking nice little desk at the end, maybe some top-down shots from the beams. I don't know. It's all a bit of work in progress at the moment, so I'll quickly show you in here. But this is, like I said before in my first video, this is the line in the sand. This is the fresh start. Nothing set up. And this is what I'm coming to. So, like I say, looking at it, it's an all wood construction. We looked at metal, we looked at plastic, and we decided to go with wood just because it's easy and you can do stuff to it. And when you look at the condensation with the metal and the plastic, it was a little bit cheap, in all honesty. Not cheap as in price, just as in cheap as in sort of the build and the look of it wasn't overly sort of impressed. And now I'm stood in here and all I can smell is that pine, the sap, the wood. I love it. So yeah, so I'm really pleased with how this has gone on. So I've even made a little bit of a fence panel. That's a fudge blocker to stop the dog from going down the side of the shed. So yes, this is hopefully going to be the new space. And like I say, when I was outside, it doesn't look that big, but as you can see, sort of in here, it's a fairly good size. So I'm really happy with that. So let's just get you inside, quickly show you around, show you what I've got to play with. So like I say, this is where it all starts for me. So as you can see, still got a bit of the barge boards, which to be fair probably aren't going to go on. Bit of lighting, bring you back, just show you currently what I've got. Step ladders, a fan, because now the reason that that's in there is because when I was building this, it was absolutely persisting it down and I had to dry all the roof out before I put the felt on. So I did have to have that running, so that's dried that out, and then I could felt it on. As you can see, still work in progress, screws and everything that's there. And I've just been practicing messing about with a bit of lighting. That was a really cheap, I think it was £10–15 from Amazon, little light kit thing, but I'll go through what I'm going to do in the future in a little bit of time. So there you go, quick overview of the new studio or the shed or the man cave or whatever you want to call it. Let's see how it gets on. So yeah, so that's where we're starting from. That's the starting point, and let's see how we get on. Thanks very much for watching, and hopefully I will catch you in the next one. And remember, as I've been procrastinating about making these videos, and that's why I want to make them short and as interesting as I can, don't wait, create. I've been putting off making this video for a few days, and I really want to make it simple and get stuff out to see if I can grow the channel. So hopefully that is something that we can do together in 2021. So thanks for watching again. See you in the next one.